Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download and sign up for TikTok on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the App Store on your iPhone. You'll be taken to the home screen, which should look familiar. You might already see TikTok on the home screen. If so, go ahead and download it from there. If you don't see it, tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the search bar at the top and type TikTok. It should be the top result, or maybe the second result after the sponsored ad. Go ahead and tap on it. Scroll down if you want to read more about the app, but to download it, just tap the Get button. The download will begin. You might need to enter your Apple ID to authorize the download. Now, if you don't see TikTok in the App Store, that could mean it's not available in your region. You might need to change your iPhone region to another region where it is available. I'll leave a link to a video explaining how to do that in the description below. You might also need to use a VPN to spoof your current location. I'll link to a VPN tutorial in the description as well. Okay, once TikTok has finished downloading, tap the Open button. This will immediately open the TikTok app and take you to the login screen. If you already have a TikTok account, just select the service you signed up with, like Google or Facebook, and start using TikTok as usual. However, if you want to create a new account, tap Sign Up at the very bottom of the screen. Then, choose a service you want to use to sign up. For this example, I'm going to choose Use Phone or Email. Next, you'll need to enter your birthday. You can either sign up with a phone number, but I recommend choosing the email option and entering your email address here. Then, you'll need to verify your email by entering the code you received in that email. Once that's done, it's time to create a TikTok password. Just follow the password requirements shown on the screen. Now you need to choose a nickname. This nickname will be displayed on your profile, but don't worry, you can change it later. After choosing your nickname, TikTok will prompt you to select your interests. Select any of these options that appeal to you and tap Next. Alternatively, you can tap Skip in the bottom left corner. TikTok will now give you a quick demonstration of how it works. Once you're ready, tap Start Watching. If you want to edit your TikTok profile, simply tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap Set Up Profile or Edit Profile, depending on whether you've created your profile already. From here, you can change your profile information. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and created a TikTok account on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.